बच्चों, आज जो हमारा लेसन है वो है चैप्टर नंबर 15 यानी कि 15। तो 15th लेसन जो है हमारा वो है सम नेचुरल फिनोमेना। ये जो चैप्टर है तो इसको हम आइए डिस्कस करते हैं। Some object can be charged by rubbing with other objects. There are two kinds of charges: positive charge and negative charge. Like charge repel and unlike charge attract each other. The electrical charges produced by rubbing are called electric charges. When charges move, they constitute an electric current. An electroscope may be used to detect whether a body is charged or not. The process of transfer of charge from a charged object to the earth is called earthing. The process of electric discharge between cloud and the earth or between different clouds cause lightning. Lightning strike could destroy life and property. Lightning conductors can protect building from the effect of lightning. An earthquake is a sudden shocking or tumbling of the earth. Earthquake is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth's crust. It is not possible to predict the occurrence of an earthquake. Earthquake tends to occur at the boundaries of Earth's plates. These boundaries are known as fault zone. Destructive energy of an earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. The earthquake measuring 7 or more on Richter scale can cause severe damage to life and property. We should take necessary precautions to protect ourselves from the earthquakes. Now, we say about the Richter scale. What is the Richter scale? A logarithmic scale ranging from 1 to 10 for indicating the intensity of an earthquake is called the Richter scale. Seismic waves. The seismic waves, the energy released at the focus of an earthquake, propagates outwardly, is called the seismic waves. Seismograph, an instrument by which seismic waves of an earthquake are measured or monitored, is called seismograph. Epicenter, a point on which earth above the seismic force, is called the epicenter. Fault zone, earthquake prone area in the earth's crust we call as the fault zone. These are the some natural phenomena which we have discussed here. So tomorrow we shall recapitulate again this chapter and do the exercise. So it is enough for today. Thanks.